Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Stanley Kitchen. Hope everyone is doing fine and safe. Today again we are going to make another very amazing non-vegetarian recipe, which is mutton keema with potatoes. It's an amazing North Indian recipe, includes lot of spices, lot of herbs, and one of the best dish you can have in your lunch, your dinner. So I know that you guys have tried a lot of other recipes as well when it comes to mutton keema. Please try this one as well. It's very amazing, very delicious, and I hope that you will enjoy it. And without wasting any more time, let's hit the kitchen. Let's start cooking. And as I always say, please do like, share, subscribe, and comment to my channel. So let's start cooking now. So to start cooking, we have taken oil in a non-stick pan. We will add 2 bay leaf, 2 to 3 cinnamon stick, 2 big black elaichi, 3 to 4 green cardamom. We will just fry it for 15 to 20 seconds. Now we will add green curry leaves and finely chopped green chilies. So I have taken around 2 tablespoons of green chilies. So it depends on you. If you like spicy, you can add more. If you don't like it to be more spicy, then you can add less of green chilies. We'll fry them nicely. Once the green chilies and curry leaves are fried, we will add finely chopped ginger and garlic. So around 2.5 tablespoons of ginger and garlic. We will fry it nicely. So as the ginger and garlic is being cooked, we will add half a tablespoon of hing to give this added flavor to our dish. We will mix it nicely and let it fry for another 10 to 15 seconds. After that, we will add 1 bowl of finely chopped onions. So I have taken around 2 big onions finely chopped. We will fry the onions till it turn golden brown, and then we will add our next ingredient in it. So as you can see that the onions are nicely cooked, nicely golden brown. We will add 2 finely chopped medium sized tomatoes, and we will fry it with the onions nicely. Make sure that the tomatoes are nicely cooked. Once the oil is separated, we will come to know that the tomatoes are nicely cooked. Now as you can see that the tomatoes are nicely cooked, we will add a dry masala in it. So there goes 1 tablespoon of haldi powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of meat masala, and 1 tablespoon of special masala, which is a mix of cinnamon stick, star anise and nutmeg, and 1 tablespoon of half grounded red chili powder. We will just mix it for maybe 10 to 15 seconds so that the masala is nicely cooked on a low flame, and then we will add the main ingredient in it, which is the minced meat. So after adding the minced meat, we will mix it nicely with the masala, and then we will cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes. So now at this point of time, the minced meat will release water. So with the water, all the masalas will be cooked nicely. All the masalas will be absorbed by the meat nicely, and then we will add our next ingredient in it. So after 15 minutes, friends, you can see that the minced meat is cooking pretty well. There is not much of water in it. We will give it a nice mix, and then we will add finely chopped potatoes. So I have taken around 3 medium-sized potatoes finely chopped, and we will cook the potatoes with the minced meat for another 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been almost 15 minutes. You can see that the minced meat and the potatoes are nicely cooked. Now we will add water in it to cook it further. So I will be taking around 1.5 mug of water. After adding water, we will add salt as per our taste. We will give it a nice mix, cover it with a lid and let it cook till the time water completely dissolves. So friends, now you can see that there is a little bit of water at the bottom of the pan. On a medium flame, we will cook the mutton nicely till the water is completely dissolved, and we will see a little bit of oil on the bottom of the pan. So that's the time when the mutton is completely cooked. We will cover it with a lid and let it cool down. Then we will take it out on a serving bowl and have it with rice, roti, chapatis. And friends, please do try this at home. I am pretty sure that you will like this recipe. Also, please do like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel, and more videos will be coming out every week. Till then, take care and bye bye.